Everyone. It's snowing around, and I'm very cold because the snow and cold has always been there. So in this snowy day, I've been playing around with the Altium to find a very easy way to help anyone with their layout skills. And I'm not even proficient with layout stuff yet. So what I'm doing so far, I'm trying to find easy trick, tips, whatever you want to say, so that it gonna make our life very easy. So I found something very cool, and I'm very excited to show that and share that. So I have a very simple hierarchical design right there. It's a very simple design. It's like if you go inside, it's just some bunch of estimates inside. You have your positive side, you have your negative side. It's pretty simple. And if I go back to my top level design, so it's pretty much like it's like four estimates going through one traces. I really haven't imported or done anything with the layout section yet, so I just want to show you that if you have a bunch of components around, like floating around all of us, you have a big project that you want to work on. You have so many capacitor, you have so many diode and inductor, and now think about it this way: you know how the design works. That's pretty good. I mean, if you know how the design works, it probably wouldn't be that bad for you to like, hey, I'm supposed to have some resistor around there. I'm supposed to have some capacitor around here. But think about it this way: that you are just a designer and you don't have an idea about the circuit, and you have a bunch of components around going on. Well, in my case, I really don't have a lot because it's supposed to be a very small and simple circuit. But think about it, you're working on a project that has a lot of things going on. You will go crazy once you do your schematic. You will be like, oh god, there's so many things going on. So just to make it more easier, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take advantage of this cool feature called cross select mode. So what are you gonna do? Basically, unfortunately, you can't use it from your top level design. Maybe you can do that, but I don't really know how to do it. I tried playing with it, but it didn't really work. So what I've been instead doing so far, that think about it, you have different kind of sheets around, symbol sheets around going on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go into one of them, and then I'm gonna go and make sure that I have this thing checked out, which is a cross select mode. And when I'm sure that, oh yeah, this got selected, so right now I only have components around, I'm just gonna go and filter out some of the things. Oh wait, I already did some filtration, sorry. So I already have the components in my filter. That means I'm only able to choose components, like components, right? Not ports, not ground, not wires or anything. So that's pretty good. So I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna just choose probably I'm gonna start with the positive and the resistor, okay? And once I select this, I'm gonna go back to my layout, and then I'm gonna go to this where is it? Tools, yeah, tool, and then I'm going to go down. I'm gonna look for the component placement, and then I'm gonna go and select reposition selected component. And when I do it, guess what? My positive SMA is right there. So I'm going to just choose a location for it. So the first I choose the SMA, so it's here, and it's the positive ones. So definitely it's positive ones. And here. Now look at this. It's now making me to choose a eraser as well, which is pretty cool. So think about it, I choose it here. I really don't care where I'm placing my stuff here. I just want to make a drawing. That's it. So once I do it, it's done. The positive section is done. So you can go again and go back to your schematic again, and then you can do the same thing for this negative side as well. It's pretty simple. Click it. Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay, here you go. Oh my gosh. Okay, whatever. Click on it, and again do the same thing for others part, and then go back to your layout, and go to your tools and component placement, and then do the reposition selected components again, and do the same thing. It's super easy. And now I'm just gonna do the same thing over in a very easy way as possible, okay? And here you go. So think about how easy it is to just to know how the things are going, how I'm supposed to lay out the things. And once you do this kind of configuration, you're pretty much way to go. Then you can do whatever you want to do it. You can probably do it auto routing, or you can probably just go and route it manually. based on your preferences. I don't really care about how I'm doing right now, because all I care about that I explained the thing I really needed to explain, which is how to take advantage of this wonderful tools. So that's for this auto route selection trick. See you on the next video.